I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to save an article to your reading list so that you can read it offline later on your iPhone. So for this example, we're going to open up Safari and we're going to open it up to a particular article. Let's just pick this Supreme Court article here. Next, we're going to scroll up so we can see our menu bar at the bottom, and we'll click the share button in the middle. Then we're going to scroll down and then we're going to click add to reading list. Then it'll create a pop-up and say automatically save reading list articles for offline reading. If you want this to always save an offline version, click save automatically. If you don't want that and you want to have to select it every time, click don't save automatically. I recommend clicking save automatically. So we'll click save automatically and now you have it saved. So let's see where we can look at it. What we're going to do is click the book icon near the bottom right, and then we're going to click the middle with the glasses. This is your reading list. Now all of your reading list items are saved on here. If you have selected the automatically save offline version, anytime you open this up, it will automatically be there offline if you don't have any service, so you can read it later. If not, then you will have to have service to be able to read these. So we'll select that one, it'll pull it up, and it'll be nicely formatted for us in the reader version. You can click right here, and then you can click show reader, and that is the reader version.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.